What is going on, everybody? Alex Avalos. Welcome back to the channel. It is weekly trades number 14. I know I had that big break and whatnot, but it's all coming back, and I got a bunch of content ready to be put out onto YouTube for all of you guys. So I had a question come up in Instagram, more or less like, what's the difference between like getting access into the membership and weekly trades? So it's a great question. Um, the difference between weekly trades and then subscribing to the membership program is in the alert is you get access to hands on every single trade that I play, and you get alerted to it the exact same moment. So whenever I'm buying, you buy. Whenever I'm selling, you're going to sell. Um, these trades on weekly trades, though, is I pick 3 every single week that I can give out to everyone that's separate. Maybe I'm still calling it in my alert, but I'm not. You're not going to get the exact entry in the trades that we're getting in at, because the market can different supports, different resistances. Price could go up, could go down, and you could miss out at the wrong time and say, "Oh, he didn't help me make any money." This that. Well, I got members saying otherwise because they got in and got out at the right time that I tell everyone. So that is kind of like my main difference between it. It was a great question, honestly. Um, but I love weekly trades, putting out content for you guys. I know we got a bunch of people that like to trade everything, so this is for you guys. Let's get right into it this week. Dow Jones, gold, and oil. So pretty big news. I'm going to be buying for US 30 to about 36,000, and we'll go over this right now. Just looking at the chart, resistance was down here at 30,000. Kind of a weak cloud, but you also got to look at this lagging span right here. It's pointing down, but look at these wicks. It's telling me that price sold off all the way down here at 33,000, but it's worked its way up. And when it pushed down from 36,000, it only came down 300 pips. So I believe that the run is for right now done, and it's gonna find support back at 36,000. Let's look at it on the weekly. So when we leveled out right here last week, 34,000, 33,900-ish, price spinning top ended with price touching down a little bit below, but it bounced off of this support right here. That's why we say these blue lines, the thick ones, they show really strong support versus these ones right here where it's just kind of strong support, but not as strong as this thick blue line. And you can see price bounced off pretty nicely. Strong cloud. Price is trading above the cloud. Lagging spans above the cloud. Nice price. There is no price disequilibrium right now. Price is about to come up to 35,000. Honestly, if not today, then it will be tomorrow. Market's already up about 0.5% right now. So we're really waiting on 35,000 for it to catch support and work its way. Hold on 1 second. Work its way back up to here, 36,500, and then it'll probably test around, play this support, and then bounce off of here. I'm swing trading this. This is going to be out to 36,000 plus. So I'll be holding this probably to about mid-Jan March, early March. So this will be a great trade. We got locked in this morning at 34,600. So currently we are up. And so US 30 price 36,000. Got another 1,000 pips-ish to go. So the next trade is gold. I haven't played gold in a while because I got wrecked one time last year when Biden walked in the office. It just wasn't good. Hold on. All right. Gold. So what do we see here? Price kind of just trading flat sideways right now. Big resistance was back in 2020, around 2000. Since then, it's sold off. The middle of last year, right when Joe walked in, price bottomed out 1680. This is more or less when I lost my money. So I haven't really touched it since, but I do have great news that gold's about to be going down, and oil's about to be coming back up. So look at what we got here. It's just by trading flat, lagging spans indicating down, not a big cloud at all. This just on the monthly. Not really any disequilibrium on price or moving averages on the monthly. Now on the weekly, we see that it's just a bearish cloud. No Kumo twist yet. But what's interesting is that we see prices in the cloud right now. Same with the lagging span. So this is just showing that price, it can't get up back over 1800 until it breaks out, which probably would be around 1820, 1830-ish. Price will break out and that would go. But we're not thinking that price is going to fail support here, work its way back down to 1750, which is its next strongest support. I don't think it's going to break through the cloud at all, especially now with oil going back up to 100 a barrel. We see, my bad, we see just trading flat, nothing really going on. This candle will not close above the cloud. It's going to reject, come down to 1780-ish, and then we're going to work our way back down to 1750-ish, right around here-ish. So gold, this will be a very interesting play that I have people in. I've told them about it, yet we have more specific price entries for this. It's all swing trading. Everything that I've been trading is swing. So looking forward to gold. Got in this morning around 1793. So currently I am down a few pips right now, but I'm not stressing that. So let's get into the next one, oil. So what's really interesting about oil is I've been telling all my members actually since the last June, July-ish, we've been scouring oil, and the time is been now. We've been making money through it, but the stretch to $100 a barrel it's coming in quick. And let's just look at the chart real quick. All right, what do we see? A huge bullish hammer. I mean candle. Lagging span above the cloud. Kind of a strong cloud, really not really strong at all. But price is trading above the cloud, which has some support. And the cloud is pretty far away from price, indicating that there is some future growth for oil. That's on the monthly. On the weekly, strong bullish. This was its biggest support, 62. Since then, it's traded back up to $88 a barrel. We could see that at its resistance was $85 a barrel. Currently, second candle close, we are breaking out of this resistance, and we are going to be trading up. This might turn into a Kumo twist and trade flat until like $90 a barrel, and then boom, it's coming right up to here to 98, if not $100 a barrel. This is the gap that we're trading right here. Let's get this going. Yeah. So we could just see this is going to be here, right there. Risking 1% for 12%. Great trade right here. Oil, this is going to go. I can't tell you exactly when, but I'm looking for middle of March, if not start of April. But this will be a great trade. So everyone that's going to be into this one will have exact alerts and knowing when exactly price is going to catch support, break support, when to get in, when to get out. The goal is to be consistent. It's not how much you can make all in one day. Trust me, it's not that. It's if you can manage your account and grow it every single day. You don't even got to trade every day, but if you are trading every day, make sure to just know your limits. Because the next thing you know, you trade on a 3 lot, right? And then you blow your account in 100 pips. if you're not trading with at least over 10 grand, if not 20,000. So this was weekly trades number 14. I thought this was one of the best ones so far. I'm looking forward to oil hitting $100 a barrel. I'm looking forward to gold coming down to 1750, and I'm looking forward to indices coming back to life. So thank you for tuning in. This was weekly trades number 14. I'm out.